Okay, everybody, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews. Back again with another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of a 20,000 mAh portable power bank with a wireless charge. But before we get to that, you know how we do. Let's get all that politic and the business out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, alright? Alright, now we got all that business politicking out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, today, like I said, we got this power bank with that wireless charge feature from a company called AIDEAZ. You see it right here on the package. Tells you a little information on the back. Pause that, read it for yourself. And let's see, close up. Got a little stuff on the side. It said best value or best value creative product brand. Okay, AIDEAZ. Simple packaging. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package. Before I get out of the box, I'm going to tell you where you can get it from. You can get it from Amazon for $39.99 with an extra 5% off. They got a coupon on it today, so you can check that out if you're interested into it. Let me get it out of the box, and then I'm going to give you some specs on it. I already had it out using it and charging it, and it's a pretty decent little power bank. 20,000 mAh. See what come in there. We got your little information, little card on here. You can pause that, read it for yourself. Tell you brands, all that good stuff. So you toss that to the side. What else is in the box? Nothing else in the box. Toss the box to the side. Let's see what else in here. Okay, comes with a micro USB-C. Okay, USB-C on there. You can see that right there. Nice little cord and a little carrying bag. Get this out of this box. Here's the charger itself. Let me take this. What's in here? Okay, got your little information booklet on here. Like I said, this nice little bag on here. Let me smell it. Smell like new stuff. Okay, let's open this up. What's up in here? Oh, okay, little quality control card or whatever you want to call this. Quality control. Alright. This comes with a nice little carrying bag. Let me give you the specs on here. Power bank from AIDEAZ. 20,000 mAh, 18 watt power delivery, USB-C power bank charger, LCD screen, power origin of air, external battery pack capable with all your basic cell phones, iPhones, Samsungs, all that good stuff. So it pretty much power up everything you got. You know what I'm saying? 20,000 mAh, and it has that wireless. What really got me is the wireless charge feature, and I'm loving that right there. But let's see, nice little bag. Got your little logo on here on the bag. Bring it up close so you can see it. AIDEAZ, whatever. I hope I'm not murdering the name. And you got your little micro USB-C. That's a good touch. Have micro USB-C. Untangle that real quick. Nice little long cord. I like having a long cord, you know. And like I said, let's bring a close up of the power bank itself. You got your little branding right here, and you can see right here, this is where you will place your phone to do wireless charge. And here you got an LCD screen right here, and on the front you got your USB, the charger devices. You got the quick charge. I'm bringing it up closer. You can see it says quick charge right there. Micro USB, power delivery on the micro USB-C, charging slot. So that's pretty cool. You know, I would have liked to have like two USB ports, so you know, plug up two different devices. But that's cool. It's cool like it is. I mean, that's good because you can be plugging some up and have wireless charging at the same time. So let's go ahead and see how this works. Let me get out my phone. First, let's turn it on. You have the button on the side right here. It's pretty heavy too. It's pretty heavy too. Pretty simple, pretty heavy. Let's go ahead and turn on the screen. Push the button once. Press and hold. Okay. Okay. You can barely see it because I got the lights up bright in the studio. Turn the lights down, and there you go. You see it. All right. I'm gonna keep the light spot right there. And let's see how this wireless thing works. I'm gonna place my phone on there. Let me wipe this dirty phone off. I gotta get a new phone. Gotta get a new phone. We're gonna get one soon. And I'm just making the screen even worse. Wiping it off. Alright. You're gonna plug it down here. Lay it down. Gotta get it just right. Did it go off? Yep, it went off because I waited too long. Okay. Now it's on. Bam. Charging. Let me turn the screen on because I got this dirty old screen protector, which I'm gonna go ahead and peel off. I got the lights turned down low in the studio so you guys can see it. Now, cut the phone off. I'm gonna put it down here. Bam. Charging. Too cool. Not fast charging, but charging. But I wouldn't depend on just the wireless charge to charge it. You know what I'm saying? But that's just like you sitting at the bar somewhere. You know, you sitting at your desk just for a conversation piece right there. You have you can have it sitting down like that to charge. Now, 20,000 miles, you should be able to charge you should be able to charge your cell phone probably about, I'd say on a note, you might be able to charge about 3 times, maybe 4, you know, depending on, you know, how low your battery is. But let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up and make sure that works. Go ahead and plug it in so you can see. Bam. Charging. Too cool. Charging. There you go. It works. There you go. Plain and simple. Too easy. Power bank by AIDEAZ. So yeah, if you're in the market and you want to like something to travel with, this, you know, fit right in your backpack or a little tech bag, you know, this is cool. This is cool. Fit right in your little tech bag. Throw it in there. You know, you got one of them sling packs. Throw it in there. Fit right in there, real snug, small. And so let me put it up to the phone. You kind of get a low. See, this is the Note 8, and this is the charger. So you can see the kind of the size comparison right there. Hold them like that. So, you know, not too big, pretty decent. Then, you know, like I say, you want to throw in your backpack, you want to scratch it up, slide it right up in here. Bam. Pull a little drawstring. Good to go. Good to go. All right. That's been a little quick review of a 20,000 mile power bank by AIDEAZ. Like I say, I hope everybody had a good day, and I appreciate everybody taking time to check it out. Like I say, you go on Amazon and get it. What was it, $39.99? Moving so quick. Yeah, $39.99 with an extra 5% off. You're good to go. Alright? Appreciate you watching the video. And like I say, tell a friend, tell a friend. Hit that, if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. Be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways. And then we'll get there with you guys' help. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? This is your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And let me see. The message for the day is, don't forget to take time out and enjoy life. Yeah, you might work hard and all that stuff. You put all your, you know, working and trying, do your thing. But don't forget to take some time out for yourself and enjoy life. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out. Peace. Drop the mic.